Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Remember not too long ago, everyone was saying CARB's getting defunded. They have no money to do anything. They're going to be like deregulated and gone in no time, right? Well, they keep coming up with new stuff left and right now. And today, or the last couple of days, they announced a new program that they are starting. And this is called the Statewide Mobile Monitoring Initiative. What this is going to do is send cars and mobile van labs to go out in underserved communities and check the air and just monitor the air. In this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about that program, and I'm also going to provide a link in the description below for you to go read about it and watch the video that CARB released about this program. Now, what is this program going to do? Like I already said, it's going to be sending cars that are going to be monitoring the air and vans that are mobile air labs out around. It's 64 communities in the state of California that they're going to be dispatching these vans to and cars to. And they're just going to read the air. They're going to try to pinpoint where this pollution or the pollution is coming from in that general area. And before we go too far, please, if you're looking for a dash cam, check this thing out. I got this thing. It's super dope. It's an F17 Elite Red Tiger dash cam. It has a front view, a cabin view, and a rear view camera. It's pretty cool. I'm going to make a video on that pretty soon. But check it out. There'll be a link in the description for that too. So what are they going to do with, or what is CARB going to do with this knowledge that they gain from this program? Well, I don't know much of CARB's research that doesn't turn into regulation. So what I'm going to assume is they're going to use this data to be able to go back to the feds and say, hey, look, our smog program needs to be enhanced in these areas for this reason, given this data that they're going to be coming up with. The data that they are researching right now isn't going to be available in about 2026, and they say they're going to release it to the public with different models of what they find. So what do you think about this, you guys? Is this going to help? Is it going to make it worse? I know clean air is all great and all dandy and everything. I'm just afraid about what CARB is going to end up doing with the knowledge that they gain from this program. And again, it doesn't look like CARB's slowing down at all. If anything, this is going to give them more power, more data to use for when a new administration comes in after Trump to be able to get more waivers for more emissions regulations. And hopefully, who knows, we got Newsom that's going to be leaving office next year, I believe it is. Is it next year? We vote next year and he leaves in 2027. So hopefully the next governor of California is not so strict and wants some deregulation and doesn't move forward too much with the data that is collected with this new initiative. But I just want to let you guys know, there's more to CARB than what meets the eye right now. There's a lot going on, still going on. They have plenty of money to go around to fund programs like this. So make sure you guys do research, ask questions, make sure you're taking in knowledge from actual reliable sources. Again, look for a link in the description below to the video about the mobile initiative program that they are launching. There's going to be a video and a text link down there for you to go check out. Both are leading you to CARB, so they're factual information websites. I hope this video helped out, and if it did, make sure you check out the video library, like, subscribe, share. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies, and I will see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.